What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat launch error. So if Easy Anti-Cheat here is not launching properly, or generally speaking, it's not working properly for you, well, there are a few things here that you may want to try. So first things first is you want to look where Easy Anti-Cheat is currently at. So this actually depends on what games you are currently have right now. So for example, we have VRChat here, which uses Easy Anti-Cheat, but then again, depending on what game you're playing or what game you want to fix here, it might be different for you. But to be speaking, if you right click on the game itself in your library, you can go and choose the option that says manage, and you want to go and choose the option here that says browse local files. Now, in here, you want to go and look for Easy Anti-Cheat. So the easiest one is going to search at the top right here. Just type in easy. And you should see Easy Anti-Cheat US setup.exe. So you can go open up the folder next to it. And you should see the same thing, Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup underscore setup.exe. Now, all you could do is just need to right click on it and just click on run as administrator. Now, only do this once if you don't have this installed yet, but you could go and run this another time just to see if this actually solves your issue. Now, also, if this doesn't solve your issue, you may want to check your firewall again, or your firewall in your PC. So to be speaking, you want to go to search here, just type in firewall. You should see the Windows Defender firewall with advanced security. You can go open it up. Now I should open up this window here. So, by the way, let's go and change it up. So this might not be the one that we're looking for, firewall. So specifically the one is going to be the easiest one that you could do here. Just go and choose, yeah. So allow an app through Windows firewall here. This is what you're looking for. And in here, it's going to be the compressed way of allowing apps into your connectivity. So what you need to do is you want to look for, or you want to click on change settings first here. And you want to look for Easy Anti-Cheat. So if you do see Easy Anti-Cheat in here, you could go and just allow it into your connection. But if not, you could go and click on allow another app. And you want to go and click on browse. And you want to go ahead and go to your C drive here. You want to go to program files x86. You should look for Easy Anti-Cheat underscore EOS, and you want to select like Easy Anti-Cheat underscore EOS.exe. Click on open, and you can go and click on the add button here. Now once it's actually added, as you can see, Easy Anti-Cheat, you can go and allow this to public and private connections, and you can go and click on OK to save your changes, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.